Today we are going to discussing about what is the use of eye washing station as well as shower. So where we see this emergency eye washing stations and the showers. So after discussing about this video, if you have any queries, you can comment in our comment section. Thanks for your giving a response for our videos, and we will go to our topic. What is eye washing station? So what is eye washing station means? See here, this is what eye washing station. So how we are using this eye washing station and when we are using this eye washing station is very important. So this is what the normal condition of the eye washing station. So whenever we are using, at that time this yellow color you see, it will come this position and water will sprinkle because of the water which is accommodated in this tank. How it is work we will see now. So like this it will work. So see here, this person is washing his eyes with the help of this nozzles. Small nozzles too are available. These are interconnected to this tank. So we should always have a aware about how the quantity of the water which is presented in this eye washing station. We have to maintain all the time in a full, as much as water should be presented in this tank. So that will give you a better pressure for the water to come and strike over the ice. So why we need to use this eye washing stations? Because whenever the people working near the mud tanks or maybe any chemical area like a hazardous area, chemical area, where there is a chance of contact, maybe contact of the chemical, or maybe injection, or maybe ingestion. So these are the some of the ways of chemicals they are coming into the human body. So if the chemical they are coming near to the body and contact with this clothes, not a problem, because after work we will remove the cloth. But whenever they are coming touches with our bare surface, that is what our skin, then there is a big issue. So if you are working for a longer and longer, then you are directly exposing to the chemical area, then it causes a severe damage respective to the MSDS. So last we will see what is MSDS. So to avoid that problem, we whenever any chemical which is come in contact with our eyes, then immediately we will use one element that is called emergency washing station. It is very important people who are working near the mud tanks, especially derrickman, as well as this emergency washing station is also available in the rig floor, the people who are working over the rig floor, because sometimes the fluid, that is what the drilling mud which will coming out from the drill stem to the outside, drill string from the outside, at that time that will sprinkle over the floor man, then they will immediately go and clean their eyes with the help of this emergency washing stations. You see here, this person is here the face, and this is, you see the pressure here, the pressure is less, that means the level of the water may be not full, it is less. So to avoid this problem, we have to fill the water with this eye washing station as much as high level. So what type of water we have to use? It is like a very pure water, good water, because if we are using for our eye purposes, as well as the, this is what the eye washing station and this is what the shower. So some of the chemicals they may be splash over our body, maybe because of the failure of the pump, or maybe any wall or any line which may suddenly collapse or maybe get damaged. So at that time the fluid may be splash over the human body. If the body having, mostly we are using PPE, that is what the personal protective equipment, especially apron. So this apron will save you from the all over the body. But in some cases the chemical which is very hazardous like caustic soda, caustic soda or maybe any chemicals which are like NaCl, CaCl2. So these are very hazardous to the people who are working near the this area. So at that time they should use this shower whenever the chemicals will splash over them. So at that time this is what the handle, and this is what the splaying area like a shower. So when this person will pull this one, then automatically the splashes will come like water droplets, and whenever he will push upside, it will close, shut off the flow. So this is what the information about the shower station. This is what the information about the shower station, and these are also available near the area. And here also there is a one more arrangement, that is what whenever there is a failure of the eye washing station, at that time also you can use this one. These lines are connected to fresh water. We no need to supply the additional quantity like filling of the water like this. It is directly connected to the fresh water tank. So always the water is full of pressure with the pump, then automatically whenever you will open the valve, then it will immediately come on contact. So eye washing station is different from the shower. Okay, so this is the emergency, like they are poster, they are available. The people who don't know where the eye wash station as well as shower is available, so by these signals and these posters you will know where the emergency washing stations are available. So like this they will have, in case of chemical splash, wash for 15 minutes, it is prior to medical treatment. So whenever there is a splash over your body, don't go immediately to the medic. You have to take care your body or maybe eyes with the help of eye washing station as well as shower. So like this you have to take care about yourself first, then you have to report to the medic, then he will take care about you. This is the how the people they are using the emergency showers. So what is finally what is MSDS? That is what material safety data sheet. So it contains which chemical you are using, for that chemical what are the hazards they are in the operation, after what are the safety precautions you have to take to avoid that hazards. So this is the information about the safety in safety equipment like eye washing station and the emergency shower. Okay viewers, I hope you understand very well about the what is eye washing station as well as the emergency shower. So mostly they will ask questions like this: what type of water we are filling into the eye washing station, and what type of water you are using for the shower station. So this is very important. For eye washing station you are using very good water. That is what water you are drinking. For that purpose that water you will fill. And for the washing station, that is what shower station, you will use the good water you are using in the rig side, that will you will use. So I think you understand very well. So this is the information about the eye washing station as well as the shower station. So I hope you understand well, and this is the information. It may be the application is these stations, they are available in the semi-submersible, drill ship, and jackup, normal land rigs, onshore rigs. So all they are having this emergency station, they are common, and the positions also common for all the rigs, like where the drilling mud is available for that for their area, the area supervisor is the derrick man, and the rig floor they have, and also mechanic workshop, electrical workshop, where the people they are directly contact with these chemicals areas, there they will provide this eye washing station. Okay viewers, I hope you understand very well. Thanks for your watching our videos. Thank you.